is from AT&T, from Team Ken. Bumili ka ng mic mo.
I guess it's like, I'm gonna take it as well, right? Okay. You want to okay. What I'm gonna do right now is to relate my story. Kasi dati, hasyudera po ako. And then, ang ginagawa ko kasi dati, I was, nakakulong po ako dito noon, yung bata ako, mga siguro 11. Kasi until now, I mean, 11 ba ako? No, I was not, because I was 3. Kasi leap year na kasi noon eh. Leap year ako pinanganak. Kaya 3 pa rin. Ayan, so, and then I was trying to do the makeup thing like this, and then my papa saw me. And he said, "You're a traitor! You're a traitor to your own father!" "No, father, I'm not." And then my dad said, "See what you've done? Your mom is now in bad condition because of your own doing." "No, I just borrowed your lipstick, that's why." And then my dad said, "Get out of my house! Get out!" And then I said, "Daddy, saan po bintana po yan? Ayokong tumalon." And then I went out, and then wala na akong magawa. I don't know what to do. I really don't know. I can't think of nothing. And then after that, yeah, I can't think of anything else to do, I guess. My God! And then ang una kong ginawa, nag-apply na ako sa call center. And then, yeah, call center. And then I said, ang una kong markdown po ganito. Sabi ganun kasi ng customer sa akin. Eh, kaya ginawa ko, "Thank you for calling Estilo Performance. Hello." Sabi ko gano'n. "I don't want to talk to you. You're an Indian." Sabi gano'n sa akin ng customer. And then sabi ko, "Ooh! Me, Indian?" And then, tinanggal ako ng boss ko. And wala naman akong ginawa. And then, ang ginawa ko naman, edi syempre, lumipat na naman ako sa ibang call center. And then I said, may markdown na naman. Tinanggal na naman ako kasi sabi kasi ng customer sa akin. Sabi niya, "I wanna pay my bill." Pa? Sabi ko, "I wanna pay my bill." And then mawa kasi yung customer eh. And then I said, sabi niya, "Okay, here's the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. "What, sir?" Is it, if I got it correctly, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? "Wrong." And then he said, "If I got it correctly, sir, would it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? "No." If I got it correctly, sir, is it like this? Then nag-worry ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. "Correct!" Sabi ko. Kaya yun, "Hi!" Sabi ko, pag nakipag-talkings na ako, "Hi!" Sabi ko yung pala, "White." Akala naman nakasama ko, white, that's the color white. That's why I'm using this white right now. And then, nag-go na naman ako, and then I asked myself, is this really my route para maging asenso sa buhay? Kaya yun, ang ginawa ko na lang, pumunta ulit ako doon sa mga bars. And then I dance. And then I dance. And then I dance. And then I dance. And then I dance.
Where's the music?
Long friends. Long friends.
Bakit ba yan?
ali sabi nila, kakanta-kanta na lang ako, parang si Dora lang. Buti pa si Dora kakanta-kanta na lang. Where's my guitar?
Ay!
Ano pala?
Wow, Piper, you know how to guitar yourself?
Baka pumasok yan.
Never know how to
Sabi mo!
It's been a
po yung show. Next week na po ulit yung ibang contestant. Okay, so let's move on to our
Maui ba?
next contestant.